The miracle that Allah gave Musa alayhi salam was the staff. He throws it, it turns into a snake, or he could hit the sea with it and it will split in half. But that only applies to Musa alayhi salam. The miracle that Allah gave Isa alayhi salam is that he will touch the leopard, those who are sick, and he will heal them instantly, or call the people from their graves and they will come back to life with Allah's permission. But that only applies to Isa alayhi salam. The final miracle that Allah gave to the final Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Quran, is something that you and I can take and interact with and read and use in our daily lives. It's not only for the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but it's for the whole ummah. My dear brothers and sisters, looking at the Quran that way, you will realize that the Quran is the miracle of miracles. It teaches you what to do, so then miracles start happening in your life. Why? Because you are using Allah's word, Allah is guiding you, showing you, empowering you, strengthening you, and then things start happening and going in the right direction in your life. That's what we are trying to accomplish in the month of Ramadan and after the month of Ramadan. Dear brothers and sisters, Allah describes the Quran in the Quran with so many names and attributes. Why? So that we know how to interact with it, so that we know what the Quran is supposed to be for us. Imagine that there is almost 60 names, attributes, and descriptions of the Quran in the Quran that tells you what the Quran is and how you can deal with it and benefit from it. Inshallah, starting this journey in Ramadan that will continue even after Ramadan, we want to explore these 60 names and benefit from them and see how they can affect us and impact us in our daily life. So, Bismillah.